Sabadi! Hello Tina, I hope you are fantastic there at home. Yes, today we are going to continue with our video lesson. So please take out your book and open it on page 140 and let's get started with learning our new vocabulary in activity number 1. So let's go and take a look. Right, taking a look at this week's vocabulary. Yes, I am going to read it one time. I want you to re-watch the video or rewind and re-watch at least twice, okay? 2 times. Watch it 2 times and speak with me, okay? Let's go over the first word. Busy, early, find, idea, keep, own, picnic, and story. Right, so I want you to practice those words twice, okay? 2 times at least. And let's go on to our next activity. Right, our next activity is to listen and repeat after the teacher. Yes, listen and repeat. So what I am going to do is I'm going to read these dialogue boxes and I want you to listen and repeat after me, okay? Listen and repeat. Right, let's get started. Hi Kiao, how are you? Fine, thanks. Did you have a nice weekend? Yes, I did. How about you? I had a good weekend too. Right, so as you can see, the boy asked the girl, did you have a nice weekend? Yes, so in English it is very polite to say, yes I did or no I didn't, and also ask the other person, how about you? It's the same as, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you. Yes, please ask someone how their weekend was also. Okay, let's jump straight into our next activity. Right, number 3 is listen and complete. Yes, listen and complete. Listen to the teacher and complete the passage. Right, this will be a listening test. I want you to listen and fill out the missing words, okay? The words that are missing here. Okay, let's get started straight away. You can listen to it 2-3 times, okay? And write down the correct words in these spaces. Okay, let's get started. Last Sunday, I had a picnic with my friends. We went there by car. We brought food with us. We arrived there at 11 o'clock. We had lunch at 11:30. We listened to the music. We went to the river. We swam in the river. We came back home at 5 o'clock in the evening. Right, Tina, so please listen again and fill in the missing words, right? And also remember, this is past tense, swam. So, verb ed or verb version 2, right? Swim, swam, go, went, listen, listened, ed. Right, let's move on to our next activity. Right, taking a look at number 4. Yes, number 4 is a look and say. Take turns to tell about what you and your partner did in the past. Okay, use the table to help you. Right, so this table we've done in classes many times. You start here. I went to the market last night. Yes. Or you can even say, I went to the market last Sunday. Right, let's go through all of them together. I want you to listen and repeat, okay? Listen and repeat. Next one. I played volleyball last night. I played football last Sunday. I watched TV last night. I watched a video last Sunday. I helped my mother around the house last night. I did my homework last Sunday. I listened to the radio last night. I listened to music last Sunday. I visited my friend last night. I visited my grandmother last Sunday. I worked in the garden last night. I worked in our shop last Sunday. I worked with my father in the garden last Sunday. Right, as you can see, these are all past tense. Yes, go, went, play, played, ed. Yes, ed. Watch, watched, ed. Help, helped, ed. Do, did, V2. Listen, listened, ed. Visit, visited, ed. Work, worked, ed. So, don't forget subject plus verb ed or verb version number 2, right? So, let us move on to number 5. Right, number 5. Number 5 is ask and answer. Ask your partner what he or she did and write down the answers. Well, we do not have partners at home, so I want you to answer these 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by yourself. Okay, let's start with question number 1. I want you to listen and you write your answer, okay, in your words. First, question number 1. Where did you go shopping last weekend? Okay, I went shopping at Tat Luang Market last weekend. That's where teacher does his shopping. Tat Luang is not very far from my home. So, where did you go shopping last weekend? Number 2, did you watch TV last night? So, if you can remember our previous lesson, yes, I did, or no, I didn't, or did not, both is correct. Right, number 3, what did you do last Sunday? Yes, what did you do last Sunday? Well, teacher, I stayed at home and worked on videos for you guys. So I stayed at home, stayed, ed, at home, and worked, ed, on videos. I stayed at home and worked on videos for school, for you. Okay, number 4, what did you have for dinner yesterday? Right, so dinner is eating at night. Yes, eating at night. So what did you have for dinner yesterday? I had cucumber salad and a tuna salad sandwich. That's what I ate for dinner last night. Right, so the last question, question number 5. Did you finish your English homework? This is a tough question. Did you finish your English homework? Yes, I did. No, I Didn't. But I do hope you did. Right, let's take a look at number 6. Right, number 6. Yes, number 6. Read and answer. Read about what Manotam did last Sunday. Okay, here is a good example of what Manotam did, and let's read it together. I want you to listen and repeat after the teacher, okay? Listen and read with me. Last Sunday, Manotam had a very busy day. In the morning, he played volleyball. He visited his friend in the afternoon and watched a video. At 4 o'clock, he came home and helped his father in the garden. After dinner, he washed the dishes with his sister. Then he did his homework and went to bed early. Right, so what you can do is listen to me reading this text a few times, and then we can go and answer the questions. Okay, let's go and take a look at the questions real quick. Right, questions. Okay, question number 1. What did Manotam do in the morning? Okay, question number 2. When did he visit his friend and watch video? Question number 3. What did he do at 4 o'clock? Question number 4. What did he do with his sister? And question number 5. Did he do his homework? Right, so please pause the video right now and answer these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions quickly, and then we'll take a look at the answers. So please pause the video and try to do these questions, okay? Right, let's take a look at the answers. For question number 1, what did Manotam do in the morning? Okay, let's go and take a look. Last Sunday, Manotam had a very busy day. In the morning, he played volleyball. Okay, so yes, what did Manotam do in the morning? In the morning, he played volleyball. Right, next one. When did he visit his friend and watch video? Right, let's take a look. He visited his friend in the afternoon. That's right. He visited his friend in the afternoon. So, question number 2. Question number 3. What did he do at 4 o'clock? Okay. At 4 o'clock, he came home and helped his father in the garden. Right, so at 4 o'clock, he came home and helped his father in the garden. Number 4, what did he do with his sister? Yes. After dinner, he washed the dishes with his sister. He washed the dishes with his sister. And number 5, did he do his homework? Then he did his homework, so yes, he did. Yes, he did. Right, that is it for this activity. Let's move on to the next one. Right, number 7. Yes, read and say. Read the passage in exercise 6, yes, about Manotam and his weekend, and say true or false. Right, here is an example. The boy in the story is Sompon. False. The boy in the story is Manotam. Yes, that's right. So, false. Let's take a look at the next example. He had a busy day last Sunday. True, he had a busy day last Sunday. Right, let's take a look at the questions here. Please say true or false first. Manotam played volleyball last Sunday. True. Manotam played volleyball last Sunday. Please listen and repeat. He watched a video with his friend on Sunday afternoon. True. He watched a video with his friend on Sunday afternoon. Number 3, Manotam came home at 6 o'clock on Sunday evening. False. Manotam came home at 4 o'clock on Sunday evening. Number 4, on Sunday afternoon, Manotam helped his father. True, yes. On Sunday afternoon, Manotam helped his father in the garden. And number 5, he went to bed late. False. Manotam went to bed early. Yes, that is it. Please rewind, rewatch, and repeat. Okay? Rewind, rewatch, repeat. All right, let's take a look at number 8. Number 8, complete. Yes. Fill in the missing words and practice. Right, I will read it for you with the answers. Please take your pen and fill them out. Okay, sort of like a listening activity. Then, once you are finished, I want you to take a video or a voice note of yourself reading all of these sentences. Okay, so let's take a look at sentence number 1. Please listen and write in. Did you play football last Sunday? Yes, I did. What time did you get up last Sunday? I got up at 6 o'clock. Did you watch TV last night? Yes, I did. Did you help your father in the garden? Yes, I did. Right, so please fill out the missing words, then take a video of you reading it to me. Okay, then send it to me on WhatsApp. Right, let's take a look at our final activity. Right, taking a look at number 9. Write about your last holiday. Okay, fantastic. Let's talk about this real quick. For number 9, I will give you a score. Yes, I will give you score on number 9. We have to do 2 things at number 9. First, we have to write about our holiday. Yes. Let me give you an example of my holiday during Pimai Lao. Last holiday, I went to Wang Vieng. We went there by car. We ate lots of great food and swam in the river. The weather was very nice, so we cooked some food on the grill. Right, this is a short example of what I want you to do. So please, let's read it one more time. Last holiday, I went to Wang Vieng. We went there by car. We ate lots of great food and swam in the river. The weather was very nice, so we cooked some food on the grill. So, in other words, I want you to write about your holiday. Where did you go? What did you do? Did you have fun? And what did you eat? You have to write at least 50 or more words, okay? So, please use everything you learned in this unit on the past tense, okay? Right, use my example of earlier and you write your own. Once you've written your own, we are going to have a speaking test. Yes, an oral test. I want you to tell me what you did on your last holiday. Okay, I want you to tell me all about this. Number 9. Then let us take a look at everything you have to send me by the end of this week. Right, fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at your homework for this week. I want you to send me pictures of activities 3, 5, 6, and 8. And then, of course, to do activity 9, to write your essay of 50 or more words. And then prepare to tell me the story of number 9 in our live classes on Thursday. Yes, we are going to do a live test on Thursday, speaking activity number 9. Okay, Tina, thank you. I hope you have a fantastic day. Please remember to wear your mask, and I will see you in the next video, or if not, in the next class. Sabaidi, thank you very much. Bye.